Okay, so I'm down at the forge. I need to straighten out the dogs for the head blocks. That's what sticks into the log when you're milling. I also need to straighten out the eye bolt for the cable. That's pretty bent too. With this, I just need to be careful not to mess with the threads. So maybe now I'll show how bent these things are. Okay, so using the top of the anvil as reference, the first one isn't all that bad. Second one's a little worse, but not that awful. Still obviously needs to be straightened out. And then the third one, I mean that thing has seen some better days. So just need to get the forge going and straighten these out.